In this video, we will be giving you a basic demonstration on how to operate a mini skid steer that has a digital control panel. First thing to know is that this key ignition is for turning the power of the display on. These buttons you can use to scroll. This would be the enter button, and this would be the back button. If you go to operator setup over here, you can adjust the date and time settings as well as other display options. Click run once, and then after the engine preheat is done, it will automatically crank and start. This button would activate the high speed if you're standing on the operator platform, and this button would activate the low speed. But the unit will also automatically switch to low speed if you get off the platform. On the left side of the screen here, you will see the engine RPM displayed. On the right here, you will see some of the engine parameters. If you want this to stop scrolling, then you can press this button. And then you can use these buttons to manually scroll through the engine parameters. You can then press this button again for it to continue scrolling. If you want to just show the more essential parameters, you can press this button here to switch to that. But in order to get back to the scrolling screen, press this button. Make sure to also pay attention to this bottom right part of the screen, as you will see warnings and general messages pop up here. One click of the off button will shut the engine down. Make sure to also turn off the display power after you've parked it, since refraining from doing this will drain the battery within a few days.